What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to talk about how to place your ROCKSTRIP 252 light bar. Now there are many different ways we can place our light bar, whether it's on a truss, on a surface, or the floor. And the way we can do that is by attaching the legs. So to start, I'm gonna take one of my legs along with its mounting hardware. I'm gonna take this screw knob here and run it through the hole on top. Then I'm gonna take the rubber washer and place it on the other side. Then I'm gonna take the screw and line it up to the screw hole on the side of the light and screw the knob to lock the leg in place. Then we're gonna take the next leg and hardware so we can do the same exact thing on the other side. From here, we can place the light on the legs like so, and we can even use the legs to angle our light into different positions. This gives us plenty of options on how to place our light. For example, one of the placements we can use for the light is a wall washing placement, where we just take the light and place it flush against the wall so that the light is shining completely upwards. Another variation of wall washing is by taking the light and placing it a few inches away from the wall and angle the light so it's hitting the wall the way you want it. You can also use similar steps when lighting up a DJ facade, but you want to keep a couple of things in mind. One of those things being the size of your DJ facade. So if you have a bigger facade and you want it all to be lit up, you'll need two of these lights to get that fully illuminated effect. Another way we can use these legs is for mounting the light onto a truss. So to do that, we're also going to need a lighting clamp like our very own LC70. We're going to take out this bolt here by loosening the wing nut. After that, we're going to take out the bolt, and you may need a wrench to loosen it further so we can take it out. From there, we can run the bolt through any of these holes here on the legs. For today, let's go with the first one here. Then we can take the clamp and screw it back onto the bolt. And from there, we can screw the wing nut back on to secure the clamp to the light. We'll then take another clamp and do the same exact thing on the other side. Now once we have both clamps attached, we're gonna loosen these butterfly screws here on each clamp. After that, we can take our light and line up the clamps to an open spot on our truss and tighten the butterfly screws to secure the light onto the truss. So once you've found a placement that works for your light, you can plug in the power cable and turn your light on and use any of the available modes or colors that you need for your setup. You'll also notice there's a power out outlet that we can use to daisy chain our lights electrically. So hopefully this showed you guys how to place your ROCKSTRIP 252s, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.